Good afternoon, everyone. So what I wanted to do is create a video to help you as much as possible, being that we do not have materials, but we do have to navigate through this intervention program. So from you playing around with it, the most useful tool that will be of use to you will be the pacing guide that is designated for intervention. So you will access that by selecting whichever the desired grade level. In my case, I'm in 3rd grade. So I'm going to go ahead and click on intervention. Once I get to intervention, I'm going to go to tier 2 intervention because that calendar has all the materials preloaded there. So if you look, you can look at the date. And if you go ahead and look at these hyperlinks here, everything that's highlighted in blue, you can go ahead and click and get the resources from there. So this would be what should be done tomorrow. So it has everything. Now, this actually has the whole week planned out. If you look, that was day 1 at the beginning. This was day 3. I passed day 2 and so on. So this document can be used for the entire week or the days as it states. So going back to 1, something important that everyone needs to look at is the kinesthetic cues. If you click on the link, it's going to show you a YouTube video. And that's something that they want the students to get in a habit of doing when they're working with this program, and you can integrate it into your reading. So again, it has the same things. You can go through here for day 1. This is not really much material. Day 2, same thing. But once you get to day 3, you see they have links here. So on this link, I'm going here because it's grades 1 through 3. It has a student version. This is something that you can put up on your Promethean board. I believe I'm copying each for each child, but of course, if it is something that I may miss because it's a lot of resources, you can go ahead to the PowerPoint, well, not the PowerPoint, but the pacing guide or the guide for the intervention, and get the materials here so that you can have everything that you need. So if you go back to the pacing guide for intervention, it has everything. It has the whole class transfer cards for whatever lesson you're working on that can be displayed, as well as practice pages if you want to display it on the board. So these are all of the things or the resources that you will be utilizing. So that was just a quick thing that I wanted to help you guys out with while you are trying to navigate through intervention. Another helpful tip would be for RH Accelerate's website. If you have not created an account, just reach out to me and I'll let you know, but this is where I am. You would go to lessons at the top, and here you would see it has a drop down bar for lessons. So it has here where you can select the grade if you're at 1, 2, 3, whatever it is. Now this is for discovery. If you're at Elevate, you'll do the exact same thing and just click Elevate. However you choose, it's fine. But I'm just going to go back to discovery. So in this case, they have the little hamburger, and this is how you get that drop down. But you can go to letter groups because this is something that you will be using. It has a whole bunch of resources that can be utilized if you go ahead and click. Has the same things, it's just in a different format than the pacing guide. It also has a lots of videos that you guys can utilize for dictation, transfer cards, if this is something that you wanted to utilize. Lastly, I just want to get to the resources for the PowerPoints. If you do not see the PowerPoints inside of the pacing guide, you can go ahead and click here on the icon and go to dashboard, and on the dashboard it has all of the PowerPoints from kindergarten all the way to here. It would be 3rd grade because this is Horizons for discovery. And they even have, I did see here, I'm just noticing they have the Elevate series also, which is for 4th and 5th. So this is where you can find your PowerPoints for both Elevate as well as discovery at RH Accelerate.